Hello, I'm Hayden from Fine and Country, North Buckinghamshire, and welcome to Stoke Goldington, which has to be one of the most sought after and popular villages here in the county. Behind me we have Langton House, which I'm delighted to bring to the market today. If you'd like to follow me, I'll show you around. Beautifully presented stone-built 4-bedroom detached property. The property has many character features, including feature fireplaces with log burners, open fires, exposed beams and exposed stonework. The kitchen is very practical and is a great sociable space. Likewise, the additional sitting room, referred as the garden room by our sellers, which has a balcony overlooking the rear gardens. The main staircase in the entrance hallway leads to the first and second floors, where there are 4 bedrooms, master with a remodelled ensuite and a family bathroom. There are lovely views of the neighbouring properties, whom our sellers have said they will miss, as well as the open aspects of fields behind, where the muntjac deer often visits, as well as a variety of birds and a family of hedgehogs of late. Stoke Goldington is one of the friendliest places to live and has some fabulous walks up to the back of the woods. The village pub is very welcoming and there are lots of village events and societies. The school has an excellent reputation, likewise the preschool. Outside there is a shared gravel driveway leading to a double garage and access to the rear gardens, which in the agent's opinion are a good size. The garden is long and goes up in stages. There is a patio nearest the house, which is large enough for a decent sized table and chairs. The gardens are mainly lawned and there are raised beds and a greenhouse in the middle section. The top section is where our clients have chickens roaming freely. There are fruit trees, a pond, potting shed, and there is an outbuilding at the bottom of the garden which has been converted into a self-contained home office. Thank you for watching this video tour of Langton House here in Stoke Goldington. If you do have any questions, please do contact me personally, Hayden Van Wienen, with the contact details to follow. Thank you for watching.